Today we pause to reflect on the leaders of our past, present, and future, honoring the dedication, sacrifice, and selflessness required to serve our nation. Through times of challenge and progress, their commitment to the responsibilities of leadership reminds us of the enduring ideals of service, unity, and hope that continue to shape our country. For direct ordering, send your order request to queendombaskets@gmail.com. Thank you.